Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is going to be on Serum.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Serum today. So, as you know, this is not financial advice. We're giving you information which we easily got from the internet. So please enjoy this video.
So first things first, just looking at the price and the market cap is insane. As you see, almost $13 and $647 million market cap. That is a tiny market cap for a price at this price. And then you'll also see 1% circulating supply. So there's still 99% of the supply to be released out of 10 billion. And there's 1% that's been released out of the supply, and there's still 99% to be released. As the price will be huge once it's at 100%. As the price will go up once it gets bought up as they get released. But obviously, short term, as they slowly get released, the price does go down because people have to buy it up. But if it's still in such hot demand like it is now, such hot topic like it is right now, then that will easily be bought up. And obviously, everyone will be thinking as the circulation goes up anyway, people will be buying it just because of that. And if you don't believe me about the hype, then you can see here by the volume, 53% volume in 24 hours. And also 9 hours ago, it broke its all-time high as well, which is really good, 1372. And we could be breaking that again today. Who knows?
Okay, so on their website, they do say that it's faster, cheaper, and more powerful decentralized finance. Also, Serum brings the speed and convenience of centralized exchanges to DeFi while remaining fully trustless and transparent. As you guys can see, the Serum token summary, you can acquire value through utility, not even hyperinflation. Serum gives specialized governance power over Serum, and 91.25% of all tokens have long-term unlock periods, underscoring commitment to Serum. So Mega Serum is a scarce asset that gives increased utility to core believers in Serum. The
Oh.
Serum governance over all net revenues generated by the platform, which can be utilized as Serum stakers. Votes include via yield, buy or burns, grants, or other usages. For seeds, sales have long-term lockups. They are meant to run long-term supporters of the Serum ecosystem, so it doesn't allow you to make quick profit, which is pretty good long-term. So the economics lock up. So as you guys can see, they have locked up a lot of Serum. That's why there's not enough supply at the minute for us to be buying and selling, which will kind of help us understand that this is a long-term project and it's not going to be ruffled anytime soon. Token supply, as you guys seen, is only 1%. And it is distributed very fairly through different sources such as project contribution, team advisors, and all the different partners and collaborators that they have done, just so that, they don't dump on anyone, so that gets locked up and doesn't get touched and it doesn't get dumped on.
So they have unlocked token distribution. So they have unlocked token distribution. So initial circulating supply was 175 million tokens. So it was primarily for providing liquidity. Holders of unlocked tokens voluntarily move tokens into reserves, reducing circulating supply, which plans to reintroduce tokens into circulating only to provide liquidity to extraordinary buy side demand. So that's what I was saying earlier with this. Um, Currently circulating supply is 50 million with 125 million reserves. 825 million is set aside for ecosystem incentives for SRM holders and Serum holders like staking. So you'll get it through staking. That is why it's at 1%. So that's actually what's going on. And as you see here, which is a really important part, it has reduced fees on Serum, staking rewards, participate in buyer burns for 100% of net fees, and specialized governance. Each MSRM receives slightly more rewards than 1 million SRM would, and in many cases more than the maximum without MSRM. Locked SRM and MSRM will get free fee discounts and participate in governance. So this is all really good features right here, especially with the 100% of net fees.
As you guys can see, all of the stuff that we're showing you right now has already been done. However, they've still got a bunch of interesting stuff for their roadmap upcoming to 2022. And even though there's a lot of people, controversy saying a bull market or a bear market might commence, we just need that extra confirmation to see what will actually happen, because there's not a lot of people that kind of understand or know where we're going right now. But it doesn't look bearish at the moment, so we just need to see if we can continue to be bullish again. So yeah. So the derivatives on Serum, so perpetual future products will be launching in 2022, Q1 to Q2, and also borrowing and lending 2021, Q4 to Q. Q1 of 2022. That is going to be something that we are looking forward to. Also, spot trading at the same time as perpetual future products. That is going to be very interesting to see.
There's also going to be direct Serum DEX upgrades, and then there'll be decentralization, eco Serum grants, institutional access, liquidity providing, and yes, we have a lot to look forward to over the coming years, and we like to know that they have a good plan set out. So it's definitely a good investment right now, not financial advice, but it's definitely a low cap gem for sure. So, this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps out. Thank you and have a lovely rest of your day.